Laptop fragile. Well, looks like my second replacement monitor has finally arrived. I ordered, let's see, both of them the same day. That's when I did the video on, what, 5 days ago, something like that. I don't know, I can't remember. But this one came from all the way in Washington, and it actually arrived in Charlotte about 3 days ago, but then got switched to FedEx Smart Post. And of course that takes, you know, additional days. I'm surprised from Charlotte to here, which is only 20 miles, it took 2.5 days to get transferred. So, yeah, what a bargain that is. So anyway, looks like I got a bunch of junk in here. So I gotta get all this excess foam out of the way. We can take a look at this monitor and we'll fire it up and see if it works. Well, right off the bat, all sorts of foam all over it. It's kind of a shame they couldn't put the monitor inside a plastic bag or something, but oh well, I guess I'll clean this up real quick and then we'll connect it up. Yeah, this cleans up nicely. I mean, they packed it well. I'm glad they did that, but yeah, I mean, putting it in a plastic bag would have been nice to kind of keep from all this foam getting stuck to it, and using a Clorox wipe to get all the residue off. But yeah, that looks good. Alright, let me go ahead and connect up a keyboard and mouse and we'll test it out. And remove this little 17-inch 1280 by 1024 VGA DVI. 4 USB speakers tested okay. December 17 of 15 when we were in Mexico. Alright, good, no residue there. Yeah, thought this one came with cables, but I guess not, but no big deal. I got plenty of cables here. Alright, so I got everything hooked up here. And real quick, show you the USBs on the back. DVI, VGA, which I use for connections, and then it's already got the power plug connected up for the speaker bar there. And this one came with an adjustable stand. I like that. Where my other one is not, it's just stationary. And yeah, it's got 2 USBs on the side right there. So, yeah, we're all hooked up. And just double checking cables and everything. My little DPS 59, I believe. Yeah, this little cable doesn't work, but this one does, which is good enough to test with. So, well, cool. So yeah, we'll go ahead and fire it up. Yeah, still waiting for the speakers. Here we go. Well, no sound yet. To check it out. Okay. There we go. Thought it was on, but I guess it wasn't. So, there. Bango. Yeah, looks good. Sounds good. See what the resolution is. Okay, display. Change display settings. Okay, 1280 by 1024. Already there. Awesome. Well, good deal. Alright, replacement monitor number 2. Powers up. Looks fine. So, yep. We'll add it to the collection on the shelf there. Awesome. Yep, works on the video card and the speaker connection and all that. Alright, good enough. We'll go ahead and wrap this up. Second replacement monitor test satisfactory, so I'll go ahead and just shut it down. Alright, well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. As soon as it shuts down. Yeah, I told you to shut down. Alright. Adios.